Okay, have you ever wondered why sometimes we set up a new website or WordPress site and we install with this plugin called Monster Insights, right? Okay, we try to check the search queries. For example, in this website, I try to click on Monster Insights reports. Okay, I can see everything. But when it comes to Search Console, okay, I can only see top 10 keywords. Let's say I want to see more of this keyword. I need to click on this button to view full queries report. In this case, I can only view this one inside my Google Search Console. Okay, this is the Search Console. I click on Performance, then I can click on Average Position, and I scroll down, go to Queries. I can see each of the queries here. Okay, for example, in Monster Insights, we only can see the first 10, but I want to see all the search terms. We have to go to our Search Console to view all the search queries. See here, if I click on 500, it shows me all the keywords here. Okay, so in other words, is that Monster Insights only shows you limited search queries. But I also find out that you can also see what people type on the search engines in order to arrive at your website and tracked by Google Analytics. Okay, for example, I have set up one Google Analytics for this same website. Okay, it can track the user sessions and it shows you everything about this website for the past 7 days. Okay, last 7 days here. I can click some more to find out more information. But as far as I'm concerned, this website is only set up last week, so I just use 7 days results. So normally what we do is that when you see the search queries, right, we go to Acquisition, Search Console, and then click on Search Queries. So in other words, that we have linked both Analytics and Search Console data. So in order to share the data together for this keyword. So in Click Queries, you are supposed to see all the search queries here. But in this case, okay, I don't see any keywords here. Search queries for the past 7 days. But in Search Console, you can see all the queries. So what actually happened is that I found out there is one thing we need to do here, okay, which is you need to click on first you have to click on Admin Settings. Okay, make sure everything is correct here, and this is the part that I think I forgot to turn on, the site search settings, because it shows you that select whether or not you want to track your users' search queries on your website. In this case, I turn it off, so I should have turned it on actually, and use the query parameter. You need to click here and type in the parameters. In this case, if you are not sure, what you do is that you click on the link here. It'll teach you what are the search queries you need to type in or for query parameter. So in this case, I think it's this one. Yep. Set up site search. Okay. The link is here. You can read out and tell you what are the parameters you can key in. For example, in this one, if you turn categories on, sorry, I think it's this one. How to identify search query parameters. Okay. Here it gives you some example. For example, if the query parameter is designated by the letter Q, enter only Q, not Q equals. So you can type in S or Q, okay, up to maximum 5 query parameters. So you click here, furthermore. Then show you more example. So once you key in the query parameter here, okay, remember is for example this one S and Q. Okay, these are the 2 query parameters. I will find out another 3 more to put in here. And then remember to click on Save. Turn on the on and remember to turn on the on button. So it shows you success. So you just wait for another 24 hours to see whether your search queries apply it on your Google Analytics results. Go to Home, Acquisition, Search Console, and then you click Queries. So you check back again after 24 hours. Alright, that's all for this video.